Okay, so for number 62 and 11.1, they give me a formula for compound interest. They tell me that I should use the compound interest formula. A is P times the quantity 1 plus R to the T. And it says A is the amount money that accumulates when P of principal. R is a rate, and T is a time. Cool? Yeah. So then at 62, they tell me write A as a function of T when $4,000 is invested at 5.5% for T years. And then they ask me to evaluate when T is 10. Cool.
But they give you the amount and the rate, but they didn't give you principal.
Ah. Wait, what?
So you're going to have P and T as.
So they asked me to write amount as a function of T, right? Okay, so just following blindly, amount as a function of T, right? Okay, and then they gave me a formula.
Oh.
$4,000 is the principal, right? So I got A of T is 4,000, and then I've got 1 plus 5.5?
0.055. Yeah.
0.055 because it's a percent, right? So I have to convert it to a number before I can add it to 1. Otherwise, I'm combining unlike terms, right? And then I'm raising that to the... so first they asked me to write it as a function, right? So I should raise it to the T power first. And then they asked me to figure out what it is when T is 10 and say some little sentence about it, right? Okay, so what it is when T is 10 is it's A of 10, right? And that's 4,000 times 1 plus 0.055 to the 10, yeah. Okay, so, how do I get a number out of that?
Hopefully you have a calculator.
Yeah, I really hope I have a calculator. So I've got 4,000 times 1.055 to the 10.
Should come to 1.70814, approximately. But that's
Okay, so there's approximately 4,000 times what?
1.70814.
Okay, so I can see that gaining 5.5% a year for 10 years results in a 71-ish% gain. You guys see that?
Yes.
Okay, so I get 70% more than the $4,000 I started with, which should be like what? 6,800 what?
6,832.57.
Okay, 32.57. Cool. And again, this is an approximate, right? Am I worried about approximating in dollar value problems?
Well, it depends how stingy you are.
Yeah, a little bit. Not very much once I get past a penny, right? Cool. Keep in mind though, round at the end of the problem, you round at the beginning when everything goes haywire. Right? Because
Can't see the board.
then it's point.
Yeah, if
one
you round in
instead
the
of
beginning, then
0.0.
you're rounding before you're compounding, which is a
And
bad
that's-
idea.
That's a big difference.
That does make a difference oftentimes. Anything else? Does this help, Josh?
It helps. Thank you.